Court number 5 players, Jericho and Charlene. Court number 5, saan na po kayo? Jericho and Charlene. Players, Jericho and Charlene. Court number 4, Balong and QQ versus JC and Rowena. Court number 4, Balong, QQ versus JC and Rowena. Court number 4. Again, court number 4, Balong, QQ, JC and Rowena. Court number 4.
Guys, raffle po muna tayo, raffle. Ticket number 415, Mark. Ticket number 415, Mark. You won a special gift from S. Aparador Coach Item, Luxury Items. Mark, 415. Calling Jude and Jennifer, Ali, and Mai, Con and Denise. Match control, please. Jude and Jennifer, Ali and Mai, Con and Denise. Match control.
Again, court number 5, Jericho and Charlene. Players, where are you? Court number 4, Rowena, JC. Balong and QQ, court number 4. Jericho. Court number 5, Jericho and Charlene. Last call. Last call for Jericho and Charlene. Court number 5. Court number 5, XDD, Alian, Mary Rose versus Martin and Samantha. Court number 5, Alian, Mary Rose versus Martin and Samantha. Court number 5, XDD, Alian, Mary Rose versus Martin and Samantha. Court number 5. Court number 8, XDD, Louie, Jordan versus Jai and Kat. Court number 8, XTD, Louie, Jordan, Jai and Kat. Court number 8. Players again for court number 8, Louie, Jordan, Jai and Kat. Court number 8. Court number 7, XTD, Mark Gaspar, F versus Ruel and Abby. Court number 7, Mark Gaspar, F versus Ruel and Abby. Court number 7, Mark Gaspar, F, Ruel and Abby. Court number 7. Martin and Samantha. Martin, court number 5. Court number 7, players. Court number 7, Aljarb, Eb, Ruel, Abby. Court number 7, Aljarb, Eb, Ruel, Abby. Ruel, non-players po. Excuse lang po. Abby and Ruel, court number 7. Ruel and Abby. Court number 7.
Calling Alexis and Aye, Jabbar and Ana Rose. Match control, please. Alexis and Aye, Jabbar and Ana Rose. Match control. Court number 12, Anil, April versus Earl and Christine. Court number 12, Anil, April versus Earl and Christine. Court number 12. Again, court number 12, Anil, April versus Earl and Christine. Court number 12. Again, players, court number 12 for XDD. Anil, April versus Earl and Christine. Court number 6, Tops, Joanne versus Kenneth and Sheng. Court number 6, Tops, Joanne, Kenneth and Sheng. Court number 6, Tops, Joanne, Kenneth, Sheng.
stand by for Jude and Jennifer versus Alexis and Aye for semi-finals. Court number 2, please stand by. Jude and Jennifer versus Alexis and Aye. Court number 2, stand by. Again, please stand by for XDD Plus for semifinals, Jude and Jennifer versus Alexis and Aye. Court number 2, please stand by. Court number 1, Jabbar, Ana Rose versus Con and Denise. Court number 1, Jabbar, Ana Rose, Con and Denise. Court number 1. Non-players, please vacate the court. Non-players. Nasaan na? Kuya Felix, ay Kuya Raymond. Jude. Bakit Kuya Raymond po yung lista, yung papel? Kuya Raymond. Jude and Jennifer versus Alexis and Aye, court number 2 for semifinals. Court number 2, Alexis, Aye versus Jude and Jennifer for semifinals. Yung bola po ay non-players, please vacate the court. Guys, paano po tayo matatapos kung hindi po tayo makikinig? Court number 1. Jabar, Ana Rose versus Con and Denise. Court number 1. Court number 3. Pat, Lala versus RS and Jane. Court number 3. Pat, Lala, RS and Jane. Court number 3. Again, players for XDE. Court number